Hello, and welcome to Summer Spark at the St. Paul Public Library. I'm Kelsey Johnson-Kaiser, our Youth and Family Services Manager. Summer Spark is our annual reading and learning program for ages 0 to 18, where we encourage kids and teens to read for fun, explore their community, and keep learning all summer long. Our program runs from June 1st to August 31st, and you can start anytime. Visit any library location to pick up a reading and activity log to keep track of your reading and learning activities. When you pick up your log, you can also choose a free book that is yours to keep. How much do you want to read this summer? Set a goal to challenge yourself. We are here to celebrate the reading and learning that you are doing. Stop in and pick up another book to keep when you reach the halfway point to achieving your goal. Looking for more ways to connect with the library this summer? Spend an afternoon outside on the library lawn enjoying music, puppets, and performances from some of our favorite local performers. Come to Storytime, stop by a fun lab to explore and experiment, or visit Createch to play video games and use the 3D printer. Enjoy a story stroll outdoors. Stroll from one oversized storybook page to the next in parks and green spaces throughout the city. Make St. Paul Public Library your destination for fun and learning this summer. Visit sppl.org/summer to learn more.